Hey guys, welcome to another video. I hope you're doing fantastic today. In this one I will be doing a codfish fritters recipe. I hope you enjoy this one. Here is a list of my ingredients. I am going to add some water to a pot to boil my salted fish. You're going to boil this for a few minutes to remove the salt from the fish. Here I will be preparing my veggies. Once I'm done preparing my veggies, I will go ahead and remove my fish from the stove and add it to some clean water where I will be removing the scales from my fish. You will also need to remove the bone from the fish so that you do not swallow when eating. After the cleaning process, I'm going to go ahead and break this down into smaller pieces to add to the mixture. In a container, I'm going to add about 1.5 to 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, about 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon of curry powder, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and I'm going to combine this together. I am now going to add some water to my dry ingredients in small quantities to make a mixture. Once I'm at the desired texture, I will go ahead and add my onion, my green onion, some hot pepper, my salted fish, and some thyme leaf. I will then combine this together and go on to my next step. In a frying pan, I will be adding some oil. Once this is hot enough, I will be adding my mixture in small portions and fry on each side for a few minutes until golden brown. once you're done frying, you can drain these on paper towel and serve as desired. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.